What are common property disclosure mistakes when selling real estate? Imagine buying a home only to find out later about hidden problems that could have been disclosed beforehand. That situation can cause big headaches for both buyers and sellers. When selling property, revealing the full truth about its condition is essential. Missing or incomplete disclosures can lead to legal disputes, delays, or even financial losses. One common mistake sellers make is not telling buyers about problems they already know about. For example, if there is mold, water damage, or issues with the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, these must be disclosed. Hiding such defects, whether intentionally or by accident, can be considered misrepresentation or fraud. Another mistake is giving vague or incomplete information. If a seller mentions there is a leak but does not specify where or how bad it is, the buyer might be left uncertain. Clear details about the size, location, and severity of problems help buyers make informed decisions. For instance, saying there is a plumbing issue in the basement that has caused water damage over the last 6 months is much more helpful than just saying there are plumbing issues. Failing to update disclosures when new issues are found is also a common error. If after initial disclosures a seller discovers additional problems, they need to tell the buyer right away. Not doing so can be seen as hiding facts and might lead to legal trouble. Some sellers mistakenly believe that if they do not live in the property or if the sale is considered commercial, they do not need to disclose certain issues. However, most states requiring full disclosure regardless of occupancy or property type. Ignoring this can cause legal complications later. Completing the required disclosure forms improperly is another mistake. Many states have standardized forms that sellers must fill out honestly and completely. Leaving sections blank or providing incorrect information can give buyers grounds to cancel the contract or sue for damages. It is also important to verify that the seller has the legal authority to sell the property. This means confirming that all owners or parties with ownership rights are involved and that the person signing the documents has the proper authority, like a power of attorney or trust documentation. Lastly, some sellers overlook minor details that could be relevant. For example, past pest infestations, neighborhood nuisances, or recent repairs might not be legally required to disclose, but sharing this information can build trust and prevent surprises after closing. To avoid these mistakes, sellers should be transparent and thorough in their disclosures. Use the official forms and update them if anything changes. Work with real estate agents or legal experts familiar with local laws to ensure compliance. Confirm that all parties have the right to sell and sign documents. Keep records of repairs, inspections, and communications related to the property. If new issues come up, inform the buyer immediately with updated disclosures. By being honest and diligent in the disclosure process, sellers can reduce legal risks, foster trust with buyers, and make the sale go more smoothly.